In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a block of text to your design, and then how you can quickly format the text to get the exact look you want. To add multiple lines of text to your layout, just click on this button that says Add Text. When you click on the Add Text button, you have the option to type in multiple lines of text. This option makes it easier to create a uniform look when you want a block of text to be the same size, the same letter style, the same color, and with the same spacing, similar to a sign like this. To start adding multiple lines of text, click on Add a Multi-Line. Right here in this box is where you'll be typing in your text. But first, you must delete the words that say Edit in Text Box. There's more than one way to delete these letters. One way is to select all the letters by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text and then hitting the Delete button on your keyboard. Once the letters are erased, you can type in several lines of text. In this box, these lines of text are aligned to the left, but what actually controls the alignment are these buttons that left justify, center, or right justify the text, depending on the look you want. For this example, I'll just leave the text centered. Once you've finished typing in your text, you can then adjust your layout by changing the letter style, size, color, letter spacing, and the positioning. To preview all the letter styles on one screen, click on this button that says View All. Once you see the letter style you want, just close this window right up here and then scroll up or down the list to select the letter style you want and just double-click on the font. If you don't like the way that font looks after you choose it, you can change it as many times as you like until you find the one that looks good to you. There are 3 ways to change the size of this block of text. You can click and drag the corners with your mouse to resize the text evenly, or you can click the top or bottom arrows to increase the height of the lettering without making the text wider. Or you can click on either end and make the text wider without making the text taller. To change all the text to a different color, just click on one of these blocks of color. If you're looking for a particular shade, you can select a color that's close and then choose Custom to adjust the color with these slider controls. You can quickly change the entire look of the sign by changing the colors around. For example, to change the background color, click on Edit Size and Material and select a different color for the background. And then click on the text to view and select different text colors. You also have the option to adjust the spacing between the lines. When you click and drag this slider bar, you can quickly adjust the spacing between the lines to get the exact look you want. Once you have the lines spaced to your liking, you can then resize and reposition the block of text and then retweak the spacing until it's exactly the way you want it. To reposition your text, just click anywhere on a line and drag it with your mouse. Once you have the text about where you want it, you have the option to use this center button to make the block of text perfectly centered within your layout. In the next video, I'll show you how you can quickly add outlines and drop shadows to make plain text really stand out.